Welcome to a keyboard shortcut in Excel tutorial brought to you by AAG IT Services. Starting with shortcut number 1, we have Control and Enter, used to repeat text across multiple cells. Simply select the cell or range of cells you want to fill, type in the desired text and press Control and Enter. Shortcut number 2 is Control 1, Formatting Made Easy. By pressing Control 1, you will open the Format Cells dialog box, which quickly allows you to apply formatting to a selected range of cells. Shortcut number 3 is Control Space. So, if you're working in a selected cell, which I'm going to highlight here, if you quickly need to select the entire column, clicking Control Space will allow you to. In the same way, clicking Shift Space will allow you to select an entire row. The next keyboard shortcut is Shift, Control and the plus sign. This can be used to easily add in a row or a column. When used on a column, it will add an extra column to the left. When used on a row, it will add an extra row above. Shortcut number 6 is Control semicolon, which is a really easy way of quickly adding in today's date into any cell. The next shortcut is Control, Shift and exclamation point. This is useful for when you're working with large numbers and you want to add 1,000 comma into your cell. Next up, we have Control, Shift, $, used to quickly add currency to any number. In a similar way, you can click Control, Shift and percentage sign to quickly turn a number into a percentage. The next shortcut can be used when you quickly want to add an outside border to a cell by clicking Control, Shift and the and sign. In this tutorial, I'm primarily working on one Excel spreadsheet, but if I were to have multiple spreadsheets open, Control Tab would be a really easy way of flicking through them. If you use Excel a lot, you'll be used to working on multiple sheets. A really easy way of inserting a new sheet is by clicking Shift and F11. And for our final keyboard shortcut, we have Alt and F2, which will automatically open up the Save As box. Thanks for watching this video. I hope some of these handy keyboard shortcuts will help you work more efficiently in Excel.